everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful little mermaid princess. So let's get started. Start by drawing an oval shape for the head. This will be the base for our mermaid princess's face. Next, draw a guideline down the center of the face and another one horizontally to help place the facial features. Now, draw two large, almond-shaped eyes. Now, let's draw the body. Sketch a curved line for her neck, then draw her torso in a slightly curved shape to show the flow of her body underwater. Now, let's draw her mermaid tail. From the waist guideline, draw the tail curving down and to the side. Add the tail fins at the end, making them large and graceful. Our mermaid princess needs beautiful, flowing hair. Start by drawing the hairline around the face, then sketch her long, wavy hair cascading down her shoulders and back. Yellow color. Color. Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, all day long. Wipers on the bus swish, 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 swish. Blue color. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. Doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Orange color. On the bus, they open and shut, all day long. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. People in the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down, all day long. Wheels in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels in the bus go round and round, all day long, all day. And there you have it, a beautiful little mermaid princess. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Until next, goodbye.